Hello, and welcome back to your channel, English Station. Today's story might surprise you. It's about Amazon, the biggest online store in the world, and a phone call from former U.S. President Donald Trump. This week, Amazon made headlines not for Prime delivery, but for a bold business decision that never happened. Amazon planned to list the cost of tariffs on its product prices. But after a phone call from former U.S. President Donald Trump, everything changed. What was said? Why would a president stop Amazon from showing the real cost of tariffs? And what do tariffs even mean for you and me? In this video, we'll break it all down, step by step, in clear, simple English so you can learn and understand while following a powerful real-world news. Section 1. What are tariffs? Let's start with the basics. A tariff is a tax added to goods that come from another country. For example, if a company in the U.S. buys phones from China, the U.S. government may charge a tariff. That makes the product more expensive for businesses and for you, the customer. Tariffs are used to protect local businesses or to punish foreign countries in trade disputes. Section 2. What Amazon planned. Recently, Amazon was preparing to show how much tariffs were adding to product prices. This feature was going to appear on Amazon Haul, the company's budget shopping section. So if a product cost $20, and $3 came from tariffs, Amazon would show that clearly. The idea? To be more transparent with customers about why prices are going up, especially on products from China, where some tariffs reach up to 145%. That's a big number. Section 3. The political backlash. As soon as news of this plan reached the White House, things escalated quickly. White House Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt called it a hostile and political act. She said Amazon was trying to blame the government for high prices. Shortly after that, Donald Trump, now running for president again, personally called Jeff Bezos, Amazon's founder. After the call, Amazon dropped the plan. They later said it was never officially approved and would not be shown to customers. Section 4. Why it matters. This is more than just a website change. It's about how business and politics can collide. Amazon says it was trying to help customers understand prices, but political leaders saw it as a public attack on U.S. trade policy, especially during an election year. This also shows how powerful voices, like Trump or Bezos, can still influence billion-dollar decisions with just one phone call. Section 5. Who is affected? So, who is affected by all this? First, consumers, like you, may continue paying more for goods without knowing why. Second, sellers on Amazon, especially small businesses, have to adjust to price changes from international tariffs. Many sellers get their products from China or India. They rely on clear pricing to manage profits. Now, that information remains behind the scenes. Section 6. Amazon Statement. After media outlets reported the plan, Amazon responded quickly. They said the tariff feature was only an internal idea, not something ready for release. A spokesperson said, "We are constantly looking for new ways to help customers, but this one won't move forward." Still, the news made it clear, even ideas inside Amazon can shake up national conversations. Section 7. Final thoughts. Amazon's decision, or non-decision, reminds us of the complex connection between economics and politics. Should companies show more information to customers? or should they protect themselves from political backlash? There's no simple answer. But one thing is clear. In today's world, transparency comes with consequences. And finally, thank you for watching this episode of English Station News. We hope you learned something new not only about Amazon and tariffs, but also about how to talk about complex topics in English. Let us know in the comments. Do you think Amazon should have listed tariff costs? Should companies be more transparent, even when it causes controversy? Subscribe for more news explained in simple English, and we'll see you in the next video.